Good morning. I'm Mrs. Swati Randive, Principal, Vidyavali International School, Chakan. I'm so happy to welcome the Virtual Inspection Committee for Upgradation. Mrs. Veena Bhagwat, Principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya Number 1, Karyappa Road, Ahmednagar. Mrs. Archana Ghorpade, Principal, Dhruv Academy, Sangamner, Ahmednagar. And CBSE Virtual Inspection Committee. This side, school's parking area. Welcome heartily to SP Deshmukh Shikshan Sanstha's Vidyavali International School, Chakan, Maharashtra. As soon as we enter, this side is security cabin. Security is taking proper precautions of COVID-19. He sanitizes each and every visitor, checks temperature properly, and then only permits. Just have a glance of magnanimous building of Vidyavali International School, Chakan, which is located in the lap of nature. Action speaks louder than words. Keeping in this mind, our display board tells proper precautions of COVID-19 along with art integration of Varli painting. School is covered with a continuous and permanent boundary wall from all four sides. The height of compound wall is minimum 6 feet. This is the passage which we use for dash for younger kids, skating ground, and various other sports. Now we are entering in the recreation zone of our juniors, that is grade 1 and grade 2. This is our eco-friendly project of solar energy, which helps to reduce carbon footprints, which helps students to understand the benefits and uses of solar energy. This is our viewing gallery from where parents witness some school events like annual sport meet, various functions. Now, just have a glance at the ground. Lush green ground provides healthy atmosphere for playing, where we nurture qualities like team spirit, leadership, and cooperation. Size of the ground is 40,000 square feet. Students enjoy the lap of nature. They grow, they bloom, and ready to face the challenges. The multi-sport ground, where team events such as cricket, football, volleyball, kabaddi, kho-kho, and athletics events are played. Along with team events, school gives training of Mallakham, judo, archery, horse riding, rifle shooting, Lathi Kathi, fencing. School gives commando training and self-defense under the skilled instructors. That side, cricket net practice area. Green Harbingers of Eco Club of Vidya Valley International School cultivated this organic farming plot. They cultivated multiple cropping, seasonal fruits and leafy vegetables are cultivated over here. Now we are on the basketball court, this court is also used as a skating rink. Now we are in front of the main building. This side, our idol Raja Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue is there. We inculcate and follow his teaching well into the students. We believe in the teaching of Lord Gautam Buddha. This is the mission of our school, which is clearly stated over here and also given in the almanac for the parents' communication. This is a ramp. This side, vision of the school is clearly stated. This is also given in the almanac. This side, ramp is there. Now we are entering in the main building. This side, parents notice board. PTA committee members of 2020 and 2021 are clearly mentioned over here. Along with that, school management committee member information is clearly given here. We are entering into the office. This is school administration area. Panorama of the activities which are conducted throughout the year is displayed over here. In the year 2019-20, school has got Fit India certificate. This is our achievement wall. This is our counselor's room. Please have a seat, sir. Thank you. This is school's reception area. Emergency contact numbers are displayed over here. Now we are entering into the server room.
Hello and welcome to the server room of Vidya Valley International School. Here I would like to say about the security systems that is been installed in all over campus of Vidya Valley International Schools. We have total about 76 cameras installed in each of the classrooms as well as in the labs and in the playground. Well, we have to ensure the safety of the children. So we are monitoring the whole security system for 24/7. Thank you so much. And next again, this is also the server for the e-learning system that is being totally conducted in all the classrooms. All the files and everything, the datas are being installed over here in the server, and we distribute the whole data system to the teachers as well as they start giving lessons to the children. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
This is sick room. First aid box of this. We are entering into the room 9, grade 9 Kanar. The classrooms are well lit and ventilated with proper furniture. Size of the classroom is 21.5 into 23 into 5 feet. Online classes are going on. This year CBSE has given art integration project and Maharashtra is tied up with Odisha. So Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, Maharashtra and Odisha. This is grade 10 classroom. Social science online lecture is going on. This room is also well ventilated, well lit with furniture. The size of the room is 21.5 into 23.5 feet. All the classrooms of the school are of equal size, right from grade 1 to grade 10. Suggestion box and complaint box are placed here. Fire extinguisher cylinder is placed over here. You can see clearly refill date and expiry date is given over here. Now we are moving through the staircase number 1. We are entering into the computer room.
Welcome to the computer room for Vidya Valley International School. Here we are all supporting the students to grow up with their technical knowledge and everything. And we have equipped over here the Wi-Fi system. All the school, means the whole school as well as the whole coverage is been covered by Wi-Fi, and it is been monitored all over here in the IT lab. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. We are moving through the staircase now to second floor. We are entering into the sports room. Indoor sports room. You can see clearly table tennis table is here, carom board, chess boards. Fire extinguisher is placed outside the chemistry lab with refillation date and due date is there. This is school's chemistry lab. The size of the lab is 21.5 into 47 square feet. The lab is well equipped with all the chemicals.
Good afternoon, welcome to the chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Record is here. Now we are recording all the whatever the stock is there or the practicals are there. The register we are maintaining. Now the cupboards are provided here with the chemicals and all these things. The labels are on the cupboards. See, the chemicals are inside the cupboards. We are arranged in the sequence wise or the related according to the acid base and the alcohols are there. Now in this cupboard also some chemicals are there. Some concentrated chemicals also available in the lab, but we are kept in locked because it is dangerous for the students. So key also with us. Now the apparatus are here. Burette, pipette, petri dishes, measuring cylinders are there. Now the funnels are there for the titration and all these things. Now here also some spirit slabs are available, beakers, and the weighing scale is also available here. This is a weighing scale. Now the digital weighing scale also we are having. Now this area provided for the observation and the writing purpose. Now in that area just the water facility is available, burners are available for the titration and doing the reactions of the chemical reagent, whatever is there. Everything is available, well ventilated lab is available. Yes, it is available.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, actually I like your display board of do's and don'ts.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. This is our biology lab. Area of the biology lab is 21.5 into 47.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Now this is our biology lab. Now the manuals are available here, the practical books are available here according to the standard wise. The record is mentioned here, the online some practicals we took this year. The record we maintain here, which practical is the student will do at home in a safety way. That way we arrange the practicals. Some records are available here. Now the cupboards are provided to keep the practical books and for school record or the student record. Some specimens are available here. It is related to the zoology. See the some specimen it is available to do the study of the zoology. Now we will move, see the some models are available for the student to draw the diagram and label it properly. This area is provided for the writing purpose or the observation purpose. Some models are arranged here to draw the label diagram and all these things. This area is provided for the dissections and the preparing of the some slides are there. Now already we having the 4 boxes of the permanent slides. It is related to the human anatomy, plant cell, animal cell. This is the permanent slides. It is already available for the study. Now under the microscope you can observe it. Now the lab is also occupied with the different type of charts are on the walls. It is related to the human anatomy or it's showing the different type of the human systems how, and it is easy to draw the diagram of that and label it properly.
Now we are entering into the physics lab, the world of explorers. The lab is well ventilated and well equipped. The size of the room is 21.5 feet into 71 feet.
Good afternoon, welcome to the physics lab. This is our physics lab. The some instruments or the some apparatus are provided in the physics lab, and one also we are having some record books also for the physics. Whatever the practical is taken, we are to recording in this register. Now the cupboards are here to keep the some instrument, the batteries, and all these things, and for the records also related to the some. Circuit diagrams and the electrical some projects or some experiments are there. According to that, the apparatus are arranged here. Now, related to the law studies, the different laws we have studied in the physics. So, according to the laws and everything, we are arranging in this table.
This is our maths lab.
These are the formulas written on the charts so that student can see and so that student can these formulas are easily visible to students. They can learn it and read it easily. Here these measurements are used for measuring capacity. Theoretical part is completed in the class, but practical part they can touch the instruments, feel it, and they can measure it liquid visibly. Here these are the marbles and the blocks. With the help of these marbles and blocks, students can easily identify the place values, expanded forms, etc. Here these are the cubes and cuboids. With the help of these instruments, they can find the volume of the cubes, cylinders, cones. Here these are the circles. With these instruments, they can easily find out which is the chord, which is the diameter, and these are the fractional parts of the circle. Here these are the triangles. With these triangles, they can easily identify the properties of the triangles. Here these are the rectangles and quadrilaterals. So with this they can identify the properties of quadrilaterals and triangles. And here again there are the quadrilaterals, different quadrilaterals. They can learn the types of quadrilaterals. And here some different quadrilaterals, trapeziums and parallelograms are presented here.
This is evacuation plan of second floor. Fire extinguishers are clearly mentioned over here. This way students and staff is trained. Now we are entering into the craft room, drawing and craft room, art room. This is our school library. Treasure of knowledge you can find over here. All the books are displayed properly and subject wise. The area of the room is 21.5 into 71 square feet.
A very good afternoon everyone. I am a librarian of Vidya Valley International School and I would like to give you some more information about our library. First of all, we have 3055 books in our central library and this is accession register. We can see it, and this is magazine register. This is student issue register. This is teachers issue register, and this is the newspaper register. And the second thing is that we have arranged the books on shelves according to the subject wise along with the accession number. This is the A section, we can see it. This is reference books, general books, and biographies, comics. These are all includes in the section A. Let me open this. You can see we have arranged the books on shelves according to the subject wise. Let's move to the section B. Here is all the literature books, literature collection it's also called, and it includes the story and fiction books. Let me open this. Let's move to the section C. It is also a literature collection. Let me open this. Let's move to the section D. It also includes the literature, sport games, general knowledge, art forms. These are all included in the literature section. This is E section. This includes science, health, nutrition, wildlife and mathematics books. These all includes in the section E. And this is section F. It includes the history books and earth and space books. Let's move to the section G, that called it periodical section. It includes magazines, some CDs and newspapers also. Let me open this. These are periodicals and CDs and newspapers. Okay, fine. This is the section H. This includes all the textbooks for students. And the next thing is there are two sections of reading hall for teachers and students. And this is our newspaper section. This is our newspaper section. Let's move forward to the library software. Let's move forward to the library software. We are using this software for all the library purposes. We can see this is library. These are all functions: issue written books, report, author master, book master, add book quantity and issue written book. We are using this software now. This is the basic information about our central library. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. This is our dance and music room. This side of the wall, mirrors are there. The size of the room is 21.5 into 71 feet. The most favorite room for the students. This room is used for dance classes and music classes. Music instruments are there. This is staircase number 2. We are moving down. These are the classrooms for upgradation. 11th Commerce. This is the room for 11th Humanities. This is the room for 11th Science. This is second floor, and now we are going to washrooms. The washroom is well partition is there. Wash basins have continuous tap running water with hand wash. Urinals are with proper partition. Wash basins with proper running water. Ladies washrooms, proper partition is there. Here also wash basins with proper hand wash with running water. Proper partition is there. Evacuation plan. Signs of proper fire extinguishers are there. In the school, total 25 fire extinguishers bottles are there. These are the rooms for upgradation. We are moving down to first floor. This is emergency exit. This side also emergency exit gate is there. This is start room. And this is ground floor. We are going to the washrooms of boys. First floor, ground floor and second floor, all the washrooms, all the 3 floor washrooms are there with running water. Proper hand wash is placed. Proper urinals are there with partition. Wash basins. This is filter water, drinking water. Drinking water filter. We have RO plant which is placed on the terrace. We are entering into the ladies' toilet now. All the wash basins have running water with proper hand wash is placed over. These are the with partition urinals. Just have the glance at Vidya Valley's green campus. We are entering in the principal's room. Thus, the campus of Vidya Valley is green campus. We have got rainwater harvesting and all the norms, solar system and all the norms which follows the green school. So, this is my world of Vidya Valley International School and I am honored that we are here for the virtual inspection. Me and my team will ensure to bring out all the best in my students. From core of my heart, thanks a lot for sharing your precious time for inspection. Thank you once again, Inspection Committee and CBSC team.